Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2021. It's the second match in round 3 and the scores are St. George's College 23, Wolmer's Boys on 33. Change in the score is due to the fact that the question given to George's, which player has the most titles in the FIFA World Cup for senior men, wrong answer came first. And also Wolmer's gained a point for the question, what type of force restores extended matter to equilibrium condition? And the answer came just before the bell. And so it's time to get into our buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, your quick thinking, and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championships. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please, as our first question comes from Bible knowledge. Joash was the father, St. George's.
He was the father of Gideon.
No, he was the father of which king of Judah? And the answer is Amaziah.
Come.
Biology. What are plants that grow best in full? Wolmer's Boys.
Plants are full, yeah. Halophytes.
Correct. Full sunlight called.
Good work.
English language. Give a 7-letter word that starts with R and means to make right or correct.
Right or correct, so...
Wolmer's Boys.
Redeem.
Incorrect. Rectify. International affairs. Look at the clip. Identify this U.S. cabinet member.
Yes.
St. George's.
Yes,
Merrick Garland.
Correct. Chemistry. What is the chemical name of bauxite? St. George's.
Aluminum oxide.
Aluminum oxide.
Correct. Music. Listen to the clip. Identify this group. Wolmer's Boys.
TOK.
Correct. General knowledge. In which Canadian province is Montreal, St. George's?
Quebec.
Correct. Located. Spanish. Translate to English this phrase. Ella bostezó. She yawned. Geography. On what 2 continents is Russia? Wolmer's Boys.
And Asia. Europe and Asia.
Correct. Theatre and cinema. Look at the clip. Identify this actor. Wolmer's Boys.
Alec Baldwin.
Correct. Information technology. What is the name of the key that is used in combination with another key to perform a specific St. George's?
Shift or control.
Shift.
Incorrect. Control. History. Which European country first colonized the Ivory
Coast.
St. George's?
Côte d'Ivoire, so that would be France.
What did I hear?
France.
Correct. Mathematics. A triangle has an area of 90 square centimeters. What is the length of the base if the corresponding base is 3 centimeters? Wolmer's Boys?
No. 60 degrees. Centimeters.
Incorrect. See, 3 centimeters more than the height, and the answer is 15 centimeters. Physics. When a bottle of perfume is opened in one corner of a room, the smell? St. George's?
Diffusion.
Yes, spreads soon throughout the room. This is an example of what process. Sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this professional footballer. Wolmer's Boys.
Virgil van Dijk.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. Whose portrait is on the Jamaican 20? Wolmer's Boys.
Marcus Garvey.
Correct. What is the English translation for Mon père est St. George's?
My father is a doctor.
No, my father is a lawyer, et avocat. Literature. Who wrote the poetry collection entitled On the Pulse of the St. George's?
Derek Walcott.
No, On the Pulse of the Morning, Maya Angelou. Art. Which French Impressionist artist painted the 19th century St. George's?
Claude
Monet.
Incorrect. 19th century work, The Ballet Class, Edgar Degas. Bible knowledge. According to the Bible, how many years were added to the life of St. George's?
15 years.
140 years.
No, we have the wrong answer coming first. Hezekiah, when he prayed for healing, that would be 15 years. Biology. What is the name for a flowering plant that takes 2 years to complete? And there is no time to answer that one. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. Let's see the scores. St. George's College on 21, Wolmer's boys on 37. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.